Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on pre-orders for online ordering. If you wish to enable customers to have the option to place pre-orders for future dates, simply click the edit button next to pre-order settings and then turn the switch on to activate pre-orders. You can specify how many days in advance a customer can place an order and then choose how far in advance you'd like the order to be shown on the kitchen display. If you only wish the order to be visible to the staff on the day the order is to be collected or delivered, simply keep the box as 0. You can choose whether you wish to allow payment on collection or delivery by the relevant toggle switches, and if you wish to take payment upfront for pre-orders, you can specify the order value amount and the percentage that should be paid upfront, for example 100%. Once you've customized your pre-order settings, simply press Add, and this will create your pre-order settings. Thanks for watching.